Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. Alrighty, so first of all, if we'll open up the settings and enter the display category, or my bad, always on display and lock screen category of course, after which expand the available values, time values for the sleep option, we'll realize that the maximum time value that we can set by the default means of this device is 10 minutes. Therefore, if you would like to still set this value to never, you can go ahead and use the third-party free application that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download it. Now, once we open it, all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. That will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.